Few things hit harder than this moment right here. That slice of the seal, the lift of the lid, and that first glimpse of perfection. But this isn't just a phone. This is the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Fold, power, elegance, and a fold that feels like the future. Every tap, every swipe, smoother than you've ever felt. Welcome to Unbox Verse, where every box hides a little magic. This magic, it's not just in the unboxing, it's in the box. It's in the way this phone feels like it's floating. It's in the power of the 7.6-inch screen. It's in the new Tensor G3 chip. It's in the camera, the way it seamlessly blends into the body. It's in the hinge, the way it folds and unfolds with a satisfying snap. It's even in the box. This phone is so ridiculously thin. It's almost like holding a monitor in your hand. And when you open it up, there's just a sea of pixels. So much screen to play with. And it's all powered by the new Tensor G3 chip. So smooth, so fast. It's unlike anything you've ever experienced. Welcome to Unbox Verse, where every box tells a story. In this box, it's a story of pure pixel perfection.